Hey, if you want to turn on and off the noise cancellation mode on your OPPO Enco Free 2 earbuds, you've got two methods how you can do this. The first one, to activate or deactivate this feature, you will have to actually remove earbuds from the case. And after this, as you can see, you will have to, I'm gonna cover the sensor. And after this, as you can see, I'm able to switch between the modes by simply clicking on this control panel. But there's also a second method how we can do this by using controls. So what we have to do is to scroll down and go for the earbud controls. And on the left, on the right, on the left and the right one, you can find the touch and the hold control. So now when you open it, you can actually find information, and that when you touch and hold the sensor, you can switch between the noise cancellation and the transparency mode. So how it works, let me try to show you. Now when I click and hold right here, maybe I will go back from this one, there we go. When I click and hold right here, I will switch into the noise cancellation mode. If I want to go back to the transparency, I have to click and hold it one more time and take a look for the noise control panel. If it doesn't work, just repeat. There we go, now we switch into the transparency mode. And that's how we can do this right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.